All right, so you've heard me mention draping in fashion designing. This is a perfect example of what it's all about. This is Alphonse Bourget, I'm not sure how to pronounce his last name, from 1950. And he has maybe 2-3 yards of fabric and that he's draping live on this live model right there. And no pins, no scissors. He's just creating folds and gathers right there. And he's just amazing what he can do with no pins, no scissors, and in a matter of like a minute. This is a minute video, but watch the back. You gotta stay for the back. The back is just amazing. She turns around at the end and you can see what he's doing. It's just phenomenal. This guy is, I don't know who he is. I've never heard of him. Obviously he knows what he's doing, and there you have it. Ta-da! She's gonna turn around now. Watch this. Look at that.